We have stocks mixed this morning going into the early morning session. We did actually have all four positive much earlier, but as I speak to you right now, we got the Dow and the Russell both negative, the S&P and the Nasdaq both positive, although the S&P is coming off its high and it's really just barely above the flat line as I speak to you right now. So some of the pressure that's pulling down the Dow and the Russell may be pulling down the other two major indices as well. When we look over to the rate markets, the 2 years actually up 1 basis point, and the 5-year, the 10-year, and the 30-year are all down. 5 years down a basis point on its yield. 10 years at 4.15. That's down 5 from Friday's settlement, and the 30-year is down 4 on its yield at 4.41%. Rate cut probabilities. One rate cut has been taken out of the highest probability outcomes. According to the CME Fed Watch Tool, we're only pricing in 5 rate cuts now, but we still have an 89.6% chance of no move at this week's meeting, at an 89.6% chance of a rate cut in September. That's pushing gold slightly higher, while silver, crude, and copper are all down. Silver is down 0.5%, crude down 0.8%, copper is down 1.2%. Bitcoin is moving higher over the last two sessions, up by over 6%, and we jumped over 70,000 today on the highs for the first time since June 7th, but we are coming off those highs. Some political support might be the reason for that move. Looking ahead today, we get the Treasury refunding announcement. Earnings hit after the close. 36 companies reporting with market caps of over $1 billion, including Hologic Healthcare, Chesapeake Energy, Crane Company, and Amcor Technologies. Before tomorrow's open, we get 55 companies with market caps of $1 billion or more, including Procter & Gamble, Archer Daniels Midland, Cisco Foods, that's Cisco with an S, not Cisco with a C, Merck, Pfizer, Phillips 66, and Illinois Toolworks. Data tonight, Japanese unemployment rate. Tomorrow's a big day in Europe with German and EU GDP. This is the flash first estimate for the second quarter. We also get German inflation data. Then we get the U.S. house price index and the Conference Board's consumer confidence data. Tomorrow evening, Japanese industrial production and Chinese manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMI data.